Let's go to this truck, guys. This is our old truck. You sing this truck. Vintage truck, guys. Just look at this truck. This is what we use in the village. But look at it. See how it's a vintage. It's a village truck. Let me ponder here. Guys. I'm waiting for her. Come, T. That is my nephew, guys. This is what. Hey. Let me take you around this truck. I show you everything about it. Let me take you, for those who love cars like me, this is an old version of this truck. You see, these are the gears, this one, and this one. This is the key. This is the key. Let me show you up here. This seat, this is metal. These are the brakes. Are you seeing it? Look at it. These are the lights, guys. And you know it has the oil. This is the oil. Are you seeing, guys? And that, this is the speed. And this is hood. These are the lights. The lights. And then this is the oil. And then, are you seeing this is the lighter? And these are gears. You see how it looks. Shelly, come inside here. So guys, this is our old truck. Let me take you around the truck. You see everything about it. Yeah, it's a vintage truck, but guys, it works and it is very, very strong. So I am here with my cousin Chelly. that's the fuel tank, and that is the fuel. I don't know what that is. You see, guys? So, guys, for a few minutes, my cousin Shelly is going to film me. Here is my cousin Shelly. Say hello. Hi. Do they remember you?
I don't know.
Yeah. What's your name? Shelly Mo. Yeah, guys. For the people who have been watching this video, there's a time she was trying to eat a grasshopper with my mom and my auntie. Yeah, she is all grown. You see, she's all grown, beautiful there. So Shelly is going to be my camera lady for some few minutes, and I take you through this track. Here, I want to show people how this truck is driven. It's a vintage, guys. It's a vintage truck. Let's start from here. Are you seeing these are the clutch? But you see, very old, and even the Shamba boys are using the, what do we call these ones? The bladders to hold it so that it doesn't, I don't know, they're supposed to take it. But in the village, this is how they are. It's working very well. And these are, I think these are they brakes? I don't know. Yeah. And then the key, guys, the key is here. See, in the village, we don't hide the keys for the car. No one will steal it. Like, I can just easily take this key, yeah, and ride and take you guys to the farm. So that is where the key is, and here is the coolant place. It will be showing you how is it high. If it's at the red, it's tricky, the engine is on fire. And then here is the fuel, is the speedometer, and here these are supposed to be light, but they're all spoiled. But this truck is very strong. So this is, we can say, mostly boys in the village, mostly my cousins here in the village, they learn riding cars using this, because you have to go to the farm maybe to plow or to carry logs. You know, this body can be here when you're going to carry something you have harvested from the land. Could be maize, beans, or maybe you're bringing logs, or maybe tea or coffee, because we also have coffee on the other side. Let me show you behind here what is happening here. So this is where they do the changing. Yeah, they have to disconnect this and this one to remove the body, and now put the djembe. If you guys know the djembe, now they put it here, and then you go to the farm. When they are cutting the grass, also we have a bella, that we have a cutter that will cut the grass or the wheat, and then we have the bella. Those are two different machines. And then we have the plowing djembe. What do we call it in the comment section, guys? Tell me. I know in Kenya I would say it a tractor djembe. Djembe is it's a spiral kind of metal that will go to the land. You pull it and you control it from there. You put it down and start plowing the shamba. And the lights, look at it, very old, but I know they are working. So that was a small tour of our village track. So nifanyie sasa one small tour. See? It's like that. This truck, guys, if I tell you, it is older than maybe most of us, even Chelly. I think this truck is older than you. Yeah, it's older than you. Very, very, very old. A vintage truck. That was a small tour, guys. I hope you have enjoyed.